Hello students, welcome to STEM Works. I am your host Bhuvan Verma. This is a special series recorded by WRO India National Organizer India STEM Foundation. As you are aware, WRO theme for 2022 is My Robot, My Friend. The season challenges are connected to the way that robots can help humans. Competing WRO teams will build and program robots that can help humans in daily household work, assist in emergency situation like fire, and can take the role of caretaker and transport in hospital. Students will develop robot models which represent the robot as a friend and a helper in daily life of people. Today, we have a very special guest for all of our viewers, Mr. Virendrasinh Vaghela, Senior Robotics Coach and Competition Head at Robofun Labs Pvt Limited. Virendrasinh ji, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you very much. I am good, Mr. Bhuvan.
All right. So going straight into our questions, Virendra ji, tell us what has been your experience of participating at international competitions like World Robot Olympiad?
So in just one word, I can say that it was an awesome experience, because like student at their age, like from 9 to 15, the way they are participating and showing their creativity levels at the international platform, that is just an awesome thing. So I was amazed with their performance, how they perform live, how they do in critical situations, and how they predict and make mistakes and correct that. So that platform is something that WRO brings for kids, and that is really awesome.
Virendra ji, spoken like a saint. Yeah, and yes, I mean, who wouldn't be enthused by looking at young talent showing their craft, showing their young genius come across? Okay, that takes me to my next question. What is the purpose of World Robot Olympiad? And, are these challenges that students battle out, are these related to STEM in any way?
Okay, so like after participation in WRO with my first season, even I was amazed, like what is an aim of WRO? So then I figured out that basically aim of WRO is to bring all young peoples around the world on the same platform where they can showcase their creativity levels and improve their problem solving skills. And we know that like if we are at the same level, then we can perform at the best. So this is what WRO is aiming for. You are on mute.
So tell me, Virendra ji, how does WRO STEM challenge improve students' overall learning?
Right. So as we know, the WRO does have a different categories from elementary to junior, junior to senior, and some future engineers this year as well. So from those age category, we know that students from age 8 to 16 or 18, their understanding level is a lot compared to other age. And in that age, WRO is introducing some problem statements. And with the field of robotics, we know that kids love doing robots and working with it. And coding is just an awesome thing nowadays, right? So when they undergo in the deep field of robotics, they perform really awesome. And this is where the WRO helps to improve their problem solving skills. And they provide the nice platform where students can enhance their teamwork, as well as the situational thinking, as well as the conditional thinking as well.
So basically, students get a whole rounded personality. They learn a lot, and they do learn by doing, as well as understanding fundamentals of science, mathematics, technology, even language, when they're communicating their ideas amongst each other and to the judges. Okay, if all of this is a whole lot to do with self-learning, what is the role of coaches, teachers, and mentors in this program?
So this is a very nice question. So yes, this is a kind of self-learning platform. Once students learn how to work with robot, then every year they can come with a new ideas according to the theme and they can perform. But the role of parent and mentor comes whenever there is a situation when student feels, okay, I cannot do this thing. So how can you boost their levels? How can you get some creative skills from the kids? Kids doesn't know that they have this much potential. So we as an elder, as a mentor and parent, have to find out, okay, what is the best thing that I can get from this kid? And this is the key role that can be played by the mentor to enhance their performance and find out what is best from the kid.
Absolutely. And to, you know, just reiterate what you said, tips, tricks, and hacks, you know,
Correct.
not to give them the solution, but to make them, to help them understand the problem in itself, so that they themselves can innovate. Very well said. You know, you are a head coach and you've been leading several teams internationally. So that brings me to my next question to you. Virendrasinh, tell us, what is your favorite WRO competition category and why?
Okay, my favorite WRO category is regular junior high category. So from last 6 seasons, I have seen that the junior high category is being a really tricky category as per the age. So it becomes really difficult for elementary kids to jump into the junior, and it also becomes a difficult for senior age student to solve the junior high challenge in less period of time. So this is what I have observed, and it has been tricky, but you know, that's the best part for the mentor. How can you guide kids to find the best solution that will help them to solve the entire challenge, and that have to be done by students?
Absolutely. And junior high category, of course, you know, it's a transition part of the school, it's middle school, on which government is also really laying a lot of emphasis on how primary school students transition to high schools and then graduation at college level. My next question to you is, this transition that happens, this difference that is being observed, do you think competitions like WRO are helping create an advantage for students who want to pursue STEM careers from schools to colleges? Is there any difference between STEM at schools and in colleges? We would like to, our viewers would like to hear from you.
Okay, so what I have observed from so far, I have seen students who have been working with WRO from last 4 or 5 years, and the students who are rookie, and still both students are in junior or senior category. And I have seen a vast difference in their thought process, in their problem solving skills, in their ideations and creativity. Because you know, when it is about a school, there is a specific time period where they have to work. But whenever they are working for the competition, they have to keep working until the problem is solved. So that's where the continuous ideation, continuous work, and continuous implementation comes. And we know that when you keep trying, there will be a success. So you have to try hard, and that hard work can be done whenever you are continuously working on something. So this is something where I think the WRO plays a major role in enhancing the students, problem solving and coding skills based on the time management. Yes, time management is very best thing that students learn, because they have to manage their school timing as well as this period, and they have to come up with their best strategy to manage their time schedule and bring the best outcome for the competition. Right?
Absolutely. And Virendrasinh ji, I also understand that, all of this effort in managing time, ideation, conceptualizing, learning about various aspects of science builds them up for a life of learning, whether it is college, work, or entrepreneurship. Students at school get essential soft skills and applied science skills to battle it out at any forum. Thank you. Okay, so the next question for you here is, what is the theme of WRO competition this year, and what does it mean to you?
Okay, when we started our meeting, you only announced the name. The theme for this year is My Robot, okay, My Friend. So basically, I have seen that every year WRO comes with a very different theme. And this year, the best part of the theme is, we know that robot is going to be our part of life. We have been already using very much like robotic things like artificial intelligence and something on our computers already, but there are less places where we are actually using hardwares, right? So future is going to be dependent on this one only, and this kids, that is a future. Okay, they will be definitely working with robots. So this year, My Robot, My Theme is introduced to the kids so that they can analyze and see how robots will be the part of our society and lifestyle in future. Right? Like we know that cleaning robots and fire safety robots and so many things where humans are making errors, those things can be optimized by a very good programmed robot. And that is going to be future. So that introduction is at this age is provided by the this year's WRO theme. And I think this is a really nice and attractive theme for all kids.
Absolutely. And Virendra Singh ji, this theme is so fascinating because students who will build the solutions will help remove drudgery of work from the lives of a lot of people who get pushed into doing manual labor and release them to explore more of life, to learn more of life and to apply them better. Whether it is a dishwasher or, an automated sorting machine at a warehouse, or whether it's a life-saving robot, all of them help save lives one way or the other. Thank you very much, Virendra Singh ji. That's the end of our questions with you. Thank you for sharing your insights, tips, and tricks with our student viewers. We hope they will find their moment of meaning in this STEM Works session and will certainly participate in competitions. This session of STEM Works was curated by India STEM Foundation, the national organizer of World Robot Olympiad in India. World Robot Olympiad is the event for science, technology, and education, which brings together young people from all over the world to develop their creativity and problem-solving skills through challenging and educational robotics competition. Schools are invited to enter a team of 3 students to participate in this competition. Participating teams will create, design, and build robot models, and the competition will progress from preliminary to final judging stages. Please visit our website, indiastemfoundation.org for more, or WRO India 2022 on your web browser for more details. Links are also in the description. Till the time we meet again for another STEM work session with a teacher, mentor, guide, keep tinkering and share this video with your parents and peers. Thank you very much. Thank you, Virendra Singh ji. Namaskar.